There are three main types of metal roofing: an exposed fastener metal roofing, a hidden fastener metal roofing, and a stone-coated steel. On an exposed fastener metal roofing, you're thinking more of your commercial buildings that are uninhabited. These can include R-panel systems or corrugated roofing, and they're kind of best for your barns or for your carports, those types of systems. On your hidden fastener metal roofing systems, these can be used both on residential or commercial applications. They are vertically installed, and what they do is they hide the fasteners, and so you'll see a lot more residential roofs are getting these standing seam roofs installed, but they're also very applicable to commercial installations as well. The last is your stone-coated steel application. These are you're going to see on some high-end homes. They can have different looks to them. It's a metal panel that has been coated with granules like you see on asphalt shingles, and they can have the appearance of a slate roof, a tile, like a barrel tile roof, or even a wood shake roof. So they can kind of run the gamut, and they can get you in a lot of different aesthetics for your different styles of homes. If you have an asphalt shingle on your current home and are considering a metal roofing system to replace your asphalt shingle, you're probably going to be considering some type of standing seam roof or a stone-coated steel like a DECRA. So if you're considering that, there is going to be a higher out-of-pocket expense to replace your roof with either of those two options. But the advantage with going to that metal roofing system over the asphalt is the longevity, or some people really like the appearance of that metal roof. The cost of metal roofs is typically higher than an asphalt shingle roof. If you start with your exposed fastener metal roofing systems like corrugated roofing and R-panel, that would be the lowest cost alternative. Then it would probably go to your standing seam metal roofing systems with a hidden fastener, and then the most expensive would be your stone-coated steel applications. Metal roofing systems are considered to have a very long lifespan, have a high longevity, and to be very durable during their life. If you're researching or considering installing a metal roofing system on your property, please reach out to Rhoden Roofing, and we'd love to help you.